friends, what's up guys? Welcome back to a new video. Okay, so okay, if today is your first time of watching my videos, click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that each time that I upload a new video you'll be notified. Okay, and if you are a new subscriber to my channel, I welcome you to Hadassah TV, right? So today with me I have a visitor because in my last video he's been disturbing, he's been, shouting on the background, he's been talking. So today I decided to invite him so that we'll make this video together. Okay guys, so his name is Jason. Jason is saying hi to you guys, and Jason has his own channel. Below I'll be leaving the link to where you can watch his videos. He posts his videos every now and then, right? So you can watch more about him. Okay, so today he's with me to make this video, and that's why he's quiet. Otherwise he'll be making a lot of noise on the background. Okay, so guys, in today's video I want to talk about a face cream that has been in a long existence. I know this face cream for 5 years ago. Let me be sincere to you guys. Then I don't really know about using products on the face. I only knew that I had some pimples and I wanted to clear. And so that was when Veet was kind of introducing their products in the market. And they were like selling this product for 400 naira. They came to trade fair, TBS. If some of us are in Lagos, you will know it's TBS trade fair. So they came there, they were promoting their products, and they were like, this product works for pimples, blah blah blah, spots, everything on the face. And everything they were saying, as if they were saying everything based on the way my face was. So I felt touched and I was like, okay, let me pick two. I think I bought two. Yeah, I bought two, 1,000 naira. Yeah, was it 1,000 naira? They're about 800 naira or 1,000 naira. But I knew I spent no more than 1,000 naira. So I got two. I was using it. I used for a week. I used for 3 days. I was expecting to see that my face is totally changed based on what I was told. But when I kept on using for like a week, second week, my face was still like that. And I was like, oh my gosh, I've spent my 1,000 naira. Because when you have pimples or you have some breakouts, you will keep on trying products, you keep on spending money. You'll be having a lot of dumped products that you've not used, and then a new one is coming up you want to try. So I felt I wasted my money. Okay guys, but what I love about the cream was that the moment you apply it on the face, it disappears. It doesn't feel oily like other ones, and I always want products that are like that, because when you apply a product it looks dried and your face become free, your face become tight, you feel as if the product is going to work. Okay, and then you don't have to be getting too sweaty, because then there are products that if I use I start sweating out, and I really don't like that. So I was happy with the texture and with the way it's penetrating down into my skin. But I did not get what I was looking for. I wanted to treat out the pimples and the spots, and I wanted to have a freakless face, freakless skin. Okay, but nothing like that happened. So today guys, now that I know really much about skincare and I know much about products, I want to talk about it. This is it. Let Jason show to you guys. Most of you have come across this face cream, Veet face cream. Okay, so this face cream, why it didn't work for me, because I was not into skincare and I really do not know much. Probably Many people were appreciating it at that time because they know, excuse me, because they know how to go about using it. But for me, because I have no idea, I used it like that and I could not get what I really wanted, right? So what the problem was I was meant to kind of activate this face cream, if you use this face cream as a base, like, yes, a base is going to serve you very, very much well, because you're going to add other things to it to, activate it, to enhance um the activeness of the face cream. Is actually very good. If you go through the ingredients and through everything that is written on the face cream, it's a very nice face cream. I really like going through it. I really like seeing the ingredients that are included in this face cream. But why it may not work for other skin type is because you need to like activate it. You need to add more other ingredients, like for those that mix cream. You really know what I'm trying to say. What I'm trying to say is you can add other ingredients to it. It could be organic, it could be natural, to just make it more active, okay, to make it work for everybody, because it works for other people, but it could be selecting other skin types, and that's why there won't be any results. But by combining it or making it as a base cream for face, it's really going to work, right? I really love it because it has a lot. It also has SPF in it. That means that if you're using it, you're not gonna be burnt by the sun, right? Jason wants to see you guys. Jason, hi. Jason, look up. Look at your friends, my subscribers. Tell them you love them for subscribing to Mommy's channel. Look up, Jason. So it's about 10 or past 10, but he doesn't want to sleep. He just still wants to be awake because I'm also busy, so we have to make the video together. So guys, this is why I want to talk about it. It's not as if Veet face cream is not working. It's working. You have to add other things to it. Okay, you have to like activate it. If you're using it for pimples, you have to add pimple stuff. You could add your you could add your acne away tube cream. You could add your beta cream. You could add your tree beta cream. You could add your tea tree oil. You could add any ingredients that is for pimples. And then if you want to use it for spot removing, you could add products that are ingredients that are for spot removing to it. But guys, it's a very nice base, but using it directly, guys, it may not work for all skin types. Okay, you can see how I'm relating my own experience to now, because it's been long. It's been like 4 to 3 years away from now, but I'm still able to remember that it didn't really work for me, because the expectation that I was expecting from it was so high based on what I was told, and it was being promoted at that time. A lot were said about it, letting me feel that it's going to work, but at the end of everything, it did not work. But now I know the reason why. Okay guys, so this is the end of today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in our next video. Bye. You didn't show them the cream.